Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys. Today we're comparing SimpliSafe versus Cove in 2025 to help you decide which home security system might be the best for you. First, let's talk about SimpliSafe. Known for its flexibility and affordability, SimpliSafe offers customizable packages that allow you to choose only the equipment you need. They provide 24/7 professional monitoring, and one of the best things about SimpliSafe is that there are no long-term contracts, meaning you can cancel anytime without penalties. Additionally, SimpliSafe is extremely easy to set up, and their mobile app is user-friendly, giving you complete control of your system remotely. They also offer smart home integration with devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. On the other hand, we have Cove. Cove offers a similar approach with customizable packages, but their focus is on simplicity and ease of use. Their equipment is also highly intuitive, and setting up the system is a breeze. One standout feature of Cove is their customer service. They offer live support 7 days a week, which many customers appreciate. Like SimpliSafe, Cove doesn't require contracts and allows you to choose between professional monitoring or self-monitoring. Cove also integrates with smart home devices, providing an extra layer of convenience. When it comes to pricing, SimpliSafe tends to be a little more affordable upfront, especially when you choose their equipment-only packages. Their monthly monitoring fees are also on the lower end. Cove, however, provides a higher level of customer support and equipment, but the pricing might be slightly more than SimpliSafe, especially when factoring in professional monitoring. In terms of features, both systems offer motion sensors, door/window sensors, and cameras. However, Cove offers a smarter experience with its more advanced mobile app and 24/7 monitoring that is ideal for people who want to feel more connected to their security. SimpliSafe, however, offers a larger selection of equipment and a slightly more mature product lineup. To summarize, SimpliSafe is ideal for users who want a budget-friendly and customizable system, while Cove is better for those who value outstanding customer service and an easy-to-use interface. Both options are great, and it really comes down to what you prioritize in your home security system. And that's a wrap on SimpliSafe versus Cove in 2025.